In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a navbar in Webflow. So open up Webflow and log into your Webflow account here. So what you're going to do once you're here on your page, so click on the add element, which is the plus icon on your top left there. Click on the add element option, and then in the elements, make sure the elements tab is selected. And then in the search elements tab here, just search for navbar. Search for navbar. Okay, so when you search for navbar, you'll see a navbar option comes here, so click on it. Okay, so click on it to add it. So once you click on it to add it, you'll see that your navbar has now been added. So the structure has now been added. So all you have to do now is simply customizing it. So you can click on these navbar here, and then that's the settings here, and then you can choose your settings on how to what do you want to do, the drop down, or how you want it to how do you want it to look like. You can do that. And then also you can add, if you click on the text here, you can simply click on the text and then like edit it if you want to change the name, or if you want to change the name, or what it want to look like. You can change it, and the link, everything. You have the customization panel here, so you can simply click on it and then change it. So you can change the name here, and then and link it to some other, if you want to link it, so link it to wherever you want it to, and then the position and all those things are here. Now the customization, so you can just click on each one of them and then customize it based on your preferences. And once that's done, you can just click on this tick here to change to save the changes. Okay, and this is how you can easily add the navbar.